What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to work with a Django CRUD application. That means we're going to work with an employee database sort of thing where we can create our entries, we can update our entries, we can view all the entries, and we can delete those. This video is going to be a little bit different than the usual ones that I make. That means today I'm going to make a speed run sort of thing. So let's just get started, and hopefully you'll be creating a Django application with this. So see you after the video. So basically that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've left a link of this code down in the description below. So if you found it useful, consider liking it, commenting what you thought, and share it with your community. And also please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified immediately. So I'll leave now and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.